Designing new products in today's marketplace requires global suppliers to keep costs down while keeping production up. The problem with this global market is products fail more often due to a lower level of quality control. A single uninspected part can cause a safety issue, trigger a recall, and shut down production. Inspection processes can be very labor-intensive and often involve lots and lots of paper. Recording inspection measurements is very error-prone. Paper-based inspection documents are time-consuming to create, record, and manage. With so many parts to inspect, production can slow to a crawl. Enter SOLIDWORKS Inspection. In addition to minimizing the time to record inspection measurements, SOLIDWORKS Inspection automates the creation of ballooned inspection drawings and industry-standard inspection reports. With easy-to-use tools, SOLIDWORKS Inspection reduces the time to create inspection documents by up to 90%, eliminates errors and inconsistencies, and gives you quick return on your investment. SOLIDWORKS Inspection eliminates the manual creation of inspection documents while greatly reducing time to market. And it automates first article inspection FAI reports and inspection packages such as AS9102, PPAP, and APQP. Take your inspection process to the next level while reducing man-hours creating inspection documentation. Let your engineers focus more on design, not fixing problems. To learn more about SOLIDWORKS Inspection, contact your SOLIDWORKS reseller or visit our website at www.solidworks.com. SOLIDWORKS Inspection. Reduce manual processes, eliminate inspection errors, streamline industry standard reporting.